Hello students and welcome to Toppscholars. Today we'll be talking about another very interesting topic, that is excretion and the excretory system. Students, what exactly is meant by excretion? It is the process of eliminating harmful metabolic waste from the human body. This process or this particular waste are thrown out from the body by the excretory organs, mainly our kidneys. Now let us first focus on the primary organ of the excretory system, that is the kidney. Students, the kidneys are located in the abdominal cavity on either side of your vertebral column. They are attached to the dorsal body wall, or I can even say the dorsal abdominal body wall, by mesorchium. Next students, mammalian kidneys are metanephric. Now let us understand this word. Students, when I use the word metanephric, I am talking about the evolution or the stage of development the kidney is showing. In very less developed organisms, the kidneys are pronephric. In comparatively developed organisms, let us say in case of amphibians, the kidneys are mesonephric. Whereas in highly developed organisms like human beings, the kidneys are also highly developed and they are called as metanephric kidneys. So the three types based upon evolution and development are pronephric kidneys, mesonephric kidneys and metanephric kidneys. Moving on students, each kidney is made up of millions and millions of small structural and functional units known as the nephrons. Moving on students, now let us talk about the ureters. As mentioned before, these are long tubes which carry the urine from the kidney to the urinary bladder. They run along the abdominal wall and open into the bladder. Students, the inner lining of ureter is made up of transitional epithelium, meaning these are epithelial cells which expand and contract as and when required.
To learn more about this topic, download Toppscholars app.